Hey everyone, and welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to go through a couple of condo layouts, floor plans, so that I can give you my thoughts and my tips or information about looking at floor plans for pre-construction condos. So here we go. So today I'm using the floor plans from the project Electra, just because, any project will do. I just wanted a couple of layouts and to go through my thoughts and how I see units when I look at them. So let's start off with this one. So first of all, I want to talk about the building. Right? The building already is kind of an odd shaped building, right? So you're going to have a couple of, nice layouts, probably the ones here are going to be nice layouts, but the ones around here and here are probably going to have the odd layouts one, right? So let's take a look at if this project has good layouts. So let's take a look at this. Usually when I look at something like this, I do like how when you walk in, the entryway is open, right? I like that. So the kitchen is here. The kitchen is there. And so the thing is, the first thing I notice about this is the washroom door is right across the kitchen. Now, not about feng shui or anything like that, but just kind of comfort level. If I were to be eating at this dinner or cooking and the washroom's right there, I don't know how comfortable or I'll be, having the door open and closed all the time. I'm not sure. I don't know. That for me, maybe there could have been better layouts. So that's what I look at is like maybe this could be a little bit better. What else is there? So this looks like it is a bachelor unit. There is no bedrooms. Yeah, there is no bedroom. So this is a bachelor unit. Um, hmm. So first, I'm not sure how it's an odd layout. Like I said, it's not your perfectly square one. So your sofa is not like right across your TV if it were to go there. That's the only thing. So those are the two things I would kind of look into that layout there. So let's go to the next one, see what else is there. So these are the things that run through my mind when I look at layouts. I'm like, oh, does that look good? Does it look good? Do I like it there? How would I fit my TV? Is that big enough for, a bigger table? Do I like that? Is it the best use of square footage? So this one here, again, I like the entryway. That is nice. So good. I like where the washroom is, right next to the bedroom. So that is nice. Here, I like this layout here. This is good. How the kitchen is kind of like an open concept to the living room. I can actually just put an island here and maybe put two bar stool like this, and then call it a day. I like it. There's this odd space here, but that's okay. Extra space, extra room to walk around, I guess. Right? Let's keep going here. What else is here? What else is here? So this here, so I'm not very a fan of hallways into a condo because I just feel like it's wasted space. However, this one may go just because that, I can put like maybe a chair here to sit or some kind of decor. Maybe I can put a console here, to put some keys or something like that. No, that's okay. I make it usable. That's nice. Coming into here, the washroom is again off here, off of the kitchen. Well, it's not directly in the kitchen, just kind of off on the side. Better than the other layout. Yeah, that's okay, I guess. Yeah. I kind of don't like how kitchens faces the wall like this. This space here, I know gets really tight. It looks spacious here on the floor plan, but when you get there, it's a little different story. It usually is a little tight. Maybe again, I would probably just do an island and then two bar stools like that. And then call that my dining table and my countertop. Yeah. If you have guests over, maybe you want to pull up extra chairs, maybe here and then here. And then you'll have more room kind of walking this way because then you'll be able to push the island over a little bit. Again, just random thoughts of when I look at layouts and see what I think I like about it. It's 11 by 9. That's okay. I've seen smaller. I've seen 8 by 8. Usually bedroom must have a window, right? So yes, it does have a window. Check mark. So this one here. Let me see what about this one. Let's see here. So you walk here Washroom's there. Okay, I like that. How the washroom is kind of even not even noticeable for where the kitchen is. That's good. I kind of like that. You do have space here, which is nice. Again, the whole, space in between there. I really have to be there to figure out if I really like the space. Here, I can't really tell how much the space is, and I usually like, this is actually a good layout. When I see this layout, I like it. It's just easy to decor. You put your window, you put your TV on one side, and then you put your sofa on the other side. It's easy to decorate and easy to, put your stuff in. So, this is a pretty good layout. I don't see anything wrong with it. Yeah, I like this one. And of course, like, also, because let's go back to this one for a second. It is a nice rectangle. Usually a nice rectangle layout, rectangle unit has nice layouts. Oh, so this is kind of like one of those odd shape one, right? So let's walk through it together and see how it is. So you would walk here, and then you see, now what's the space here? What am I going to do there? Other than walk freely to the washroom. Okay. You have a den here. So den, it says that you can kind of fit a bed. It has no windows, so that's why it's called a den. It has no closets either. And then you have this kind of off on the side. Again, maybe I would probably put an island and two stools. I just find that an island, two stools just makes everything more spacious. And it's dual purpose. You can use it as a countertop to cut things and to eat off of, right? So that's why I probably would do that. What else here? Oh, everything else looks good. Yeah. Let's go here. See this hallway. Although you can make a nice decor. I've seen magazines where they've done nice shelving and nice pictures to have a nice entry to the unit. It's just that I can't use it but to walk in. So usually I try to avoid layouts that have hallways because you're paying for it. It's priced per square feet, right? And so your let's see here. This one here is 593 square feet. Like this here is in that square footage. But maybe the layout will kind of pay off. So let's go in here and take a look. So yeah, okay. So I do like this space here. That's good space to have. Again, you know the drill. Island, two stools. And then again, your nice square what do you call it? Square living room, which is just pretty good. Sorry, I'm choking up here. And then you have a den here. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's about it. That's all the comments I have for that layout. Let's go to this one here. Again, oh, okay. Lots of hallways. I don't know. That's a very long hallway. It's kind of your washer dryers there. Other than that, that's all it's used for. So it makes this whole space here, I feel, tighter than it should be because, a lot of your square footage is because of the hallway. And your washroom is here. That is nice. Let's see where your bedroom is. Your bedroom is over here. Okay. And then you have your washroom ensuite. Oh, this one has two washrooms. Nice. So it has, a master ensuite or primary ensuite. And then you have one that everybody uses. You do have two showers. Okay, let's see here. Because there is a den here that has windows. Okay, that's nice. The den has windows. Where is my TV? Oh, there it is. My TV's right there. Not sure if I really like how my sofa is. It's kind of really in the living room. I mean, in the kitchen. Not really sure. Is there a better way to kind of design this? Now I need my stager to look at this. Any stagers here watching? Maybe you can let me know. Is there a better way to kind of lay this out? Because I don't know. I don't really like how that is. And then where's my island and two bar stools, right? Okay. How many square feet is this? 629. Okay. So let's take a look. It's getting bigger and bigger. Okay, let's see here. Where is my main entrance? So my main entrance is here. It's nice. Okay. Well, as soon as you walk in, the primary bedroom is here with your full ensuite. Then you have the guest washroom. Oh, 2 bedrooms. So there's a window there. So this is bedroom 2. And the layout is, okay, there's your TV and then there's your sofa. Okay, it's spacious, I guess. Again, I guess I wouldn't do an island and 2 stools here because then I won't be able to put my my sofa. So maybe not do that in this one. Just leave it the way they have it, which is fine too. Yeah. No comment on this layout. The layout's good. So let's see here again. Okay, maybe this whole building everyone has hallways, which is, I guess, when you, like I said, when you have like the building is not square or rectangle, you're gonna have like odd shapes layout too. Let's see here. Other than the hallway, it is really rectangle, right? So yeah, I like this layout. So the washroom is here, and then you have your kitchen here. Then of course I would kind of do something like that. Have like maybe even 3. You have a pretty spacious living room. Look at that. Look at that. You can even have like one of those sitting chairs. And then the two bedroom on both sides. When 2 bedrooms on both sides like that and their walls are not touching, it's called split bedroom type. So that the bedrooms are on both sides. They're split it into 2. Some people like it. So I won't go through all the layouts. I thought I would just do a few. So that's good enough for me, I think, for today. Hopefully you guys like that, how I walk through layouts and give you my thoughts on what I think about them. If you have a layout that you want me to give you comments on it, just send me the layout, and then, I'll give you my thoughts on it and what I think about it if you like. But most of the comments you can see are already on the layouts that I've been going through. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.